13, my lord, I beg to represent the state respondent lordship.
But if your lordship may kindly recall,
Matter relates to theft
where
of
2
school
lakhs primary books were stolen, lordship.
Yes, I am referring. Lordship, kindly may I
Estimate
invite your
value was
lordships,
3
my lord, to the
crores.
order dated 2nd January 2025, my lord. Paragraph, my lord, 4, my lord. Therefore, we direct the sixth respondent, that is Chairman DP SC, to file a report as to how many books were stolen, how many books were recovered, how many books were distributed to the primary school students, whether the remaining students were also given new books, and other related matters. My lord, may I respectfully, my lord, hand over, my lord, this report, my lord, by the DPSC, District Primary School Council. It is, my lord, made clear, I hopefully, my lord, in the report, lordship, if I may respectfully invite your lordship to, my lord, page 3, my lord, of the bunch of document, lordship. He says, my lord, that total requisition book for the academic session 2023 was 2,76,275. Stolen books, my lord, is 1,99,075. Subsequently, from the go down, my lord, 40,845 was recovered, was found. So, my lord, as on date, missing book stand is 1,58,230. Now, my lord, kindly have a look at paragraph 6. Since the requisition book for the academic session 2023 was 2,76,275, that was called for from the West Bengal Textbook Corporation, and it was distributed, amongst the students for the concerned session. So, students were given the books, and those which were recovered, those recovered books were part of the seizure list, and the other part is investigation. The investigation has culminated into charge sheet, and my lord, it has been charge sheeted. My lord, that
and
is
who are these people who stole the books?
Lordship, if I may respectfully invite your lordship to the SP's report at page, my lord, 5. At page 5 of the, my lord, bunch of documents I've handed over to your lordship. Para 3, last line, the charge sheeted accused persons were the custodian of the go down keys. So they are the charge sheeted persons who are facing the trial. And the charge sheet, my lord, is, my lord, at page 15. 15 is the charge sheet.
All are there.
Page 15 is the charge sheet. Kindly have a look. These are the two persons, Bhim Mondol and Muhammad Rafiqur Alam. Lordship kindly sees paragraph 11A, paragraph 12 of the charge sheet I am referring to. They were arrested on 2nd December 2020. That is on the day of lodging in the FIR. They were arrested and they were in PC. The police custody remand till 10th December.
And what is the stage of the trial? Trial has commenced.
My lord, charge sheet, yes, charge sheet has been filed on 30th November 2025.
But I think there is a larger conspiracy to it.
I'm grateful, my lord, because these two persons, my lord, they are contractual employees. What appears? My lord, these two charge-sheeted persons, they are
might have
contractual.
facilitated by opening the godown.
My lord,
But somebody has organized the entire thing,
I'm grateful.
because 2,76,000 books can't be carried in an auto rickshaw.
1,58,230.
1,58,230.
That is after recovery.
No,
But
yes.
whatever it is,
1,58,230.
at least they would have required 2 trucks, minimum 2 trucks. But now the students have all been given the books.
Yes, that is paragraph 6. They say that we have already requisitioned to kindly see para 6 of page.
For the academic session.
Yes, they have not been affected, lordship, so far as the academic session of the
But
concerned.
I think these two people are being made as a scapegoat.
I'm grateful, my lord. That is our case. And my lord, the charge sheet apparently has been submitted, my lord, after 3 years of the lodging of the FIR. 3 years. December 2022, my lord, is the incident and the
2nd
FIR.
December 2020 is the FIR.
Charge sheet is being
Charge sheet on 30th November 2025. 2024. November 20.
And 2 years, my lord.
And what is the control you can exercise over them? They are contractual employees.
No,
they come up with a story during trial. The dead of the night, 2 people came, beat us up and took the key, and it was opened and taken away. We were in an unconscious state. When we woke up, the godown was empty. They may take a stand. But some inquiry needs to be.
I'm grateful.
At least one officer of the education department, along with the police, an independent.
If there is scope for any further investigation, lordship knows my lord, after filing of charge sheet. So let the magistrate may also, my lord, go for giving, my lord, further investigation order.
How do we direct the magistrate here?
My lord,
This
this
That is what,
we-
my lord,
This
since the
we brought to the notice of your lordships on the earlier occasion that the learned magistrate, my lord, does not have the power to, my lord, direct investigation by any other investigating agency
certainly not.
apart from the police.
No, they can do further investigation.
But not change of agency. Cannot.
Not
What
change
we
of
can do
agency.
is,
If your lordship is minded to change agency, my lord, I am lordship.
what we'll do is, now that it has matured into a charge sheet, let it proceed as it is.
Lordship.
We will direct CID to conduct an
I'm
independent
grateful.
inquiry.
I'm grateful.
There is a larger conspiracy. So at least
My lord,
it
may I-
will be a deterrent that it and it should not recur in the subsequently.
Lordship.
See,
My lord, may I submit,
government books.
my lord, may I submit, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 12.
Who is respondent number 12?
My lord, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 12. My lord, I apologize, my camera is little bit malfunctioning. But my lord, I have got the specific instructions from the client that he is not at all involved in the matter and he is ready to face any investigation, whatever your lordship directs. But
Very
my
good.
lord kindly makes it in a time-bound manner so that it can be finished within a particular period of time. I am ready to face any investigation, my lord.
And who is your client, sir? What is he working as? What?
My lord, he was working there as a contractual employee, the respondent number 12, my lord.
He is not an accused.
But his name has been
That's
added in the
Hmm.
respondents. Therefore, my lord, he is agreeing to any sort of investigation and he is ready to face. He can prove his innocence as he has stated to me, my lord.
Oh, no, sorry. আমি তোমার petitioner দেখছি brother. Oh, 12 is Rafiq Alam. He is the charge sheeted, my lord. He is a charge sheeted.
Both of them, 11
Both
and
of them.
Now you have not impleted CID or any other
my lord,
agency.
we prayed for, my lord, handing over investigation if your lordship directs now, and my lord,
Now,
Right now we can
how do we describe that? He is superintendent of police or
ESP CID, lordship.
my lord, ADG, I'm sorry, my lord, subject to correction by my learned senior. My lord, it would be ADG, Additional Director General,
CID.
Criminal Investigation Department, West Bengal.
We have heard the learned advocates for the parties. For issuing
CID.
appropriate directions, we suo motu implead the Additional Director General, Criminal Investigation Department, West Bengal, as the 13th respondent. Let the cost title be accordingly corrected. This is a shocking incident. No, not this is a shocking incident has been brought to the notice of this court by way of this public interest litigation for causing an investigation by an independent agency with regard to missing of 1,99,07 primary school textbooks, which were stolen from the office of the SI of schools.
My lord, Sub-Inspector of
Sub-Inspector of
Schools.
Schools, Islampur Circle, in connection with the FIR dated 2/12/2022 in GR number 3049/22, lodged at the Islampur police station. In the said FIR, two persons were arraigned as accused, who are supposed to be the godown keepers, both of whom are contractual employees, and the matter and at present charge sheet has been filed.
Page 15. No, this is FIR. Charge sheet has been filed.
In this bunch it is there.
Bunch it is
Charge sheet has been filed.
Page 15 charge sheet.
one.
Page 15.
If in charge sheet number 707 of 2024, dated 30/11/2024, on the file of the learned Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Islampur Court, District Uttar Dinajpur. Uh, under section 406, 34 IPC. The charge sheeted persons are also implemented as respondents in the writ petition. On when the matter was heard earlier, that is on 2/1/2025, the following order was passed. Please quote this. Para. In terms of the above order, the sixth respondent, namely the chairman of the District Primary School Council, Uttar Dinajpur, was directed to file a report as to how many books were stolen, how many books were recovered, how many books were distributed to the primary school students, whether the remaining students were also given new books and other related matters. In terms of the said direction, the District Primary School Council, District Inspector of Schools, within bracket primary education, Uttar Dinajpur, has filed a report dated 7/1/2025. From the report, it is seen that so in the report, it is admitted that around 1,99,075 number of books for the academic year 2023 went missing from the godown and opened for distribution of books on 1/12/2022. It is further stated the total number of missing books were actually 1,58,230, including both Hindi and Bengali medium books, and around 40,845 number of books were lying in the godown, which was found during the inquiry by the police, which have been under police custody and have been kept at Islampur SI office. Thus, it is stated that the actual number of books that went missing since then were 1,58,230. Further, the report states that a total number of 2,76,275 books were distributed among the students for the academic session 2023. And all the students have been benefited from free textbooks that have been supplied again from the West Bengal Textbook Corporation for the said academic session within due time, and not a single student was deprived from getting free textbooks. Thus, it appears that the interest of the students for the academic session 2023 has been protected and safeguarded. However, what passes in the mind of this court is that the two godown keepers who are admittedly contractual employees could not have masterminded this entire theft, where more than 1,58,230 books were stolen. Thus, it prima facie appears to be a larger conspiracy. To be noted that the charge sheet has been laid in the matter after 3 years after the FIR was registered, which was registered on 2/12/2022. Thus, we are of the view that a deeper and a more comprehensive probe has to be made in the matter, for which purpose we had suo motu implemented the CID, West Bengal as the 13th respondent in the writ petition. The CID should conduct an independent investigation in the matter and proceed to take appropriate action in accordance with law. However, in the meantime, the trial of the criminal case, which is now pending before the Additional Chief Judicial Magistrate, Islampur Court, Uttar Dinajpur, shall continue on a day-to-day basis, and concluded at the earliest. Accordingly, in the light of the above, the writ petition is disposed of by directing the 13th respondent to nominate one officer, one competent officer to independently investigate the entire episode, for which purpose the officials of the department, school education, primary school education department shall extend full cooperation, as well as the district magistrate shall also extend cooperation. And as and when information, documents and details are called for by the investigating officer to be nominated by the Additional Director General of Police, CID West Bengal, they should be promptly furnished, and the investigation should proceed in an appropriate manner. The learned advocate appearing for the 11th respondent,
Of the 12th respondent, my
12th
lord.
respondent, who is one of the accused in the criminal case, submitted that the 12th respondent is ready to face investigation and inquiry, and he will cooperate with the same. And all that is requested is that it should be done in a time-bound manner.
I'm grateful.
Considering the fact that already much time has passed by, we direct the investigating officer to be nominated by the Additional Director General of Police, CID West Bengal, to commence and conclude the investigation and file and take the matter to the logical end by filing a charge sheet within a period of 8 weeks from the date of receipt of
8 weeks.
the server copy. 12 weeks. 12 weeks. 12 weeks.
May it be instead of 3 years, it will be 2 years, because charge sheet was December 2022 and FIR was December 2022 and charge sheet was November 2020. It is with 2 years, Lordship.
2 years.
3 years.
We said 3 years. Sir. It's 2 years.
Lordship, may my name be deleted from the order dated 2nd January 2020, because I was out of court on that day. He has mistakenly given my name.
But we verified you are in Kolkata. Therefore, we put your name.
Lordship.
If you are outside, we would not have put your
No,
name.
I was in Kolkata out of
Yes. We in fact asked. He said yes, sir is there. Then we said yes. Mr. Galib's name will be also.
Lordship.
Your lordships are keeping the matter pending, my lord.
Next.
Serial number 14,